Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Now this is going to be a quick one. I am going to be giving you some very quick helpful tips on the state board on base and off base curl that you have to do for the Texas Cosmetology State Board Practical. Now again, this is going to be just quick tips on how to go about doing that on base and off base curl that you are required to do for this exam. If you are looking for a step-by-step full tutorial on setting up the table and doing the blow dry, because the blow dry is also part of this section. Blow dry and curl service is what this is obviously called, but we're skipping the blow drying. I know many of you already know how to do that, but again, if you want to see me do the entire thing from beginning to end, I will link that video for you guys, because that one is obviously a little bit longer and a lot more detail. But again, I think that most of you guys might find it a little more difficult or a little bit challenging is obviously using either the Marcel curling iron, okay, because you can use a Marcel if you want to, or you can take a regular spring curling iron that looks like this. Now, I do not suggest that you take anything that is too large of a barrel, just because you obviously want your curl to stay. So make sure that you are taking an appropriate size with you for the day of the exam. So I have my mannequin here, and again, it's not draped, just, you know, none of that, because I'm skipping all of that. Like I said, this is just very quick to just kind of help you get through the curl part, but obviously your mannequin would have to be draped and you will have more items on your station. But again, if you need the full on detailed step-by-step of the blow dry and curl demo for the Texas Cosmetology State Board Practical, I will link the video along with this one. So check out the description box, or please be sure that you guys are checking out the Cosmetology playlist on the channel, and that's where you will find all of the state board prep videos that can definitely help you. All right, now that we got that out of the way, like I said, here is my mannequin. And don't forget that before you actually start the curl demonstration, you need to have a neck strip, okay? A neck strip where you will be checking the temperature of your curling iron, and you'll just be clamping it like so. I'm gonna do this very close. Maybe I should zoom out a little bit. There we go. And so the next strip is just to check the temperature of your curling irons. So again, it is completely up to you if you rather take a Marcel curling iron or a traditional spring curling iron with you the day of the test. I'll be doing the demo using both, just so that you guys can have a visual of you know, how to do it, whether you choose to take one or the other, okay? First and foremost, again, you will go about doing the blow dry first using a round brush. Once that hair is nicely dry, then that's when you will continue to do the actual curl demo. They want to see you do the on base curl first and then the off base. Remember that they do not allow you to use any hairspray, any clips, or anything that's going to help your curl stay in place. So this is towards the end of the test, so the hair on the mannequin will not be very long, because you would have already done the haircut part of the test. So here we go. I'm starting off by just combing out the hair, make sure that it doesn't have any tangles. I'm using a rat tail comb to help me out. Hopefully you guys can see that. We're going to start. I'm going to be using the Marcel first. Okay, obviously this one is a little bit trickier to use. And so we are going to over direct the hair. I think this is tip number one, which is the most important. If you want that curl to stay on base, you have to over direct the hair. So if you're curling here or you're bringing it here, that's not going to be giving you an on base curl. It's going to give you more of an off base, okay, or half off base, and that's not what they want. So for on base, you want to over direct the hair away from you. Bring your curling iron and you're going to open the curling iron, and you're going to go halfway. I want you to pay attention to my hands. I'm holding the hair, I'm tucking it out, okay? I'm bringing that curling iron in towards me, okay? Make sure you're grabbing your rat tail comb. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Okay, open, 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 making sure that all the ends of that hair is in there. And use your rat tail comb to help you hold that curl in place, okay? Now you want to hold this firmly and tightly so that when you go to release this, it stays. Now, once you've held it for about 30 to 45 seconds, you're going to gently open your curling iron, use your comb, okay? And I am sliding the curling iron. I'm using my right hand, you guys, and I'm sliding the curling iron to the right, okay? And the comb helped me get the hair out. And you can do this. I'm not really adjusting much, but as you can see, that is perfect. I mean, it is on base. That is not going anywhere. So make sure that you are not trying to do this very quickly, that you're not allowing, you know, the heat to really get through the hair. You have to hold that curling iron in place for at least 30 to 45 seconds, and make sure that you have your curling iron, you know, pretty high. I think this is at 380 right now, and as you can see, it stayed perfectly. No hairspray, no clips, none of that, and that's exactly what they want to see, okay? Now, I know this takes practice, and yes, you have to practice, you have to prepare for this test, but the last thing you want to do, you do not want to do this, is once you have the curl in there, do not bring your curling iron like this and then unravel. That's not what they want, okay? They're not looking for that type of curl. They want the curl to stay on base, and so that's what your curl should look like, okay? And again, that was me using the Marcel curling iron, and so yeah, that's on base. Let's do this again, okay? Obviously, the hair has now been messed with, but let's try it again using the regular spring curling iron. So I'm going to brush through this curl and show you using the traditional spring curling iron. But once again, over direct the hair, okay? Clamp your curling iron in the middle, you guys, okay? So in the middle, get the hair, curl it under, okay? Look, most of you guys, what I see with students is that you guys want to bring the curling iron all the way here and then bring it in. That's not going to work, okay? That's not going to work. One, you have to over direct, go halfway, grab the hair, go under, over, roll, okay? You have to work the hair in there, grab your rat tail comb, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, okay? And hold it in place, okay? Hold it in place and use that rat tail comb to protect the scalp. Once you've allowed, again, those 30 to 45 seconds, use your comb, start to open that curling iron and just simply glide it out. Look at that. It's perfect. Okay, I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but yes, it's perfect. That's what they want to see, okay? Practice, you guys, practice, practice, practice. You want to go in there with confidence, and I promise you that if you practice a couple times, even if it's just the curl part, I know most of you guys should already know how to blow dry hair, so this section should not be very hard. But if you go in there and you act very nervous, you're completely clueless, maybe you've never even actually done this part or practiced it at all on a mannequin, and it's going to show. Okay, and so don't do that to yourself. Go in there with confidence. You can, you will do it, and all will be well. Okay, so that is our on base curl. Let's go for our off base. Okay, so off base meaning it's going to be off the base and not necessarily this high up. Okay, so here we go. I'm grabbing another section. Make sure also that you're not grabbing so much hair. And so for the off base curl, we no longer have to over direct. Okay, you're actually more like this. It's kind of like this will be like 45, 90, obviously 180. So you're more like at a 90 degree towards you. And so here we go. I'm going to use my Marcel first, and then I'll go in with the regular traditional curling iron to show you guys. So with this one, you're going in the middle again, over direct, roll it over. Okay, bring this in. Okay, grab your rat tail comb, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Start to protect the scalp, and here. Right away you can see the difference that I'm holding it more at a 90 degree. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Slowly, you guys, very slowly and gently. You're going to start to open your Marcel. Use that rat tail comb, and you're sliding the curling iron out horizontal to the right. Okay, and look at that. That is off base. Okay, it's not on the base. And that's what your curl should look like. Again, no clips, no hairspray, no nothing. That's what they want to see. Once you have your on base, your off base, baby, you are done. Okay, you are so done, and you are out of there. Well, almost, but you guys, that's it. Let's do it again using the traditional curling iron. For those of you that plan on using it, maybe some of you find it to be easier. Look, back in my days, we had no choice but to use the So yeah, I just said my age, but that's what we had to use. And I feel like over the last couple years, you know, I think they've been okay with students taking a regular spring curling iron, but back in my days, you had to use the Marcel. So here we go again, using the traditional curling iron. Over, under, towards you, roll it in. Notice how I'm holding the hair, and I'm not focusing on getting all the ends in just yet. Okay, now start to roll. Grab your rat tail comb, and then bring it in, bring it in. Once you have that, okay, then the ends of the hair can go inside of the curling iron, and just hold it in place. Hold it in place. Make sure that you are allowing enough heat to go through the hair. Okay, once you feel like you're ready, use your comb, start to gently open the curling iron very slowly, and you're sliding it out. Boom, perfect. There it is right there. Okay, and I know it's hard to see, obviously, because the hair is dark on this mannequin, and we have the on base curl that's sitting right above it, but look, it's off. That's off the base, okay, versus being on the base compared to the first curl that we did. So you guys, that's it. Let me know in the comments if you found this information helpful, or let me know if you're comfortable with this section, or if this is one that kind of worries you. I do private trainings for the State Board Practical for Cosmetology in person, and I think that I have came across several students that they do struggle at first, okay, with this section. And then once I show them, it's the little things that make the biggest difference. And once I show them, it's like it clicks and they get it perfect. And it's just like, wow, they're like, oh my gosh, I've tried this before and it's never looked this good. So sometimes it's the small things. I know I try to, you know, answer all of you guys' questions when you guys leave me comments, but there's nothing like having someone watch you, show you, hold your hand. And I literally sometimes hold their hand. I'm like, you know, is it okay if I hold your hand? And I literally show them what to do, how to do it, because sometimes that's what it takes. Unfortunately, YouTube is great, but it doesn't talk back to you. And most of my stable practical videos, you know, most of them are really long. They're very thorough, and that was my goal, because I wanted you guys to use them to either follow along or to be able to really get those questions that you may have answered. And so, but anyways, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you found this helpful. And that's it. I wanted to make this short and quick, and I hope you liked it. You guys, thank you so much for being here. Thanks for your continued support. Let's keep going. Let's keep growing. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.